Joyeux anniversaire. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you, Sarah. Happy birthday to you. Look. Happy birthday to you, Sarah. Happy birthday to you. Good morning. It's your birthday. How old are you today? Say 2. Sarah, how old are you today? Say 2. 2? Say 2. 2? Say 2. Leave it. Say 2. Say 2. How old are you today, princess? Say 2. Oh, she's been up and just caring about her business. Look at her.
Happy birthday, Sarah.
You have no clue what is going on, eh? Hey, princess? She have no clue what is going on. Hi, babes. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new, beautiful blue sky day here today. And you guys know what day is today. It's my baby girl's second birthday, and we are up. Of course, she doesn't have a clue what is going on, but the excited mama that I am for each milestone is up and is excited for her second birthday, and about to get my decorating on so that way I can carry on with all the plans that I have for her today. I think Babe and his dad and Tyler is gonna go on the road and leave me for a bit. So for this year's Sarah birthday, I am using this space outside. I'm using all this space, so I am not going to decorate inside. I'm decorating outside this year because inside was so hot last year, so I think outside is perfect for what I want to do. Just to put her little setup on her little balloons and stuff like that. So our celebration is early in the afternoon after she takes her nap. So I have some wings to throw in the oven and to warm the pizza later and stuff like that. But right now I want to do the decoration and get it out of my way early in the morning. So let's go get this birthday going, shall we? Anyway, you guys, have a good day. Enjoy today's vlog, and I just want to say happy birthday, Sarah. If you're watching this whatever time when you grew up, I just want to say that you are a little firecracker, and the day that you walked into our lives, we needed you as much as you needed us. So thank you, Almighty God, for choosing her and for choosing me and for choosing us. And you're a special kid. You're amazing. We love you, and have a happy second birthday. Look at that. Who is that? Hi. Who is that? Hi. Who is that? Hello. Hello, pretty. Hello, pretty girl. You popped up. Hi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Sarah. She doesn't hear. Happy birthday to you. Wow. She's been saying wow ever since she woke up. Wow. You've been saying wow. She's been saying wow and walking around and looking at the balloons. You want this one? Purple. Wow. Papi playing guitar for you. Dance, Sarah, dance. 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 Go dance. Go on. Dance. Put it down. Alright, you guys, let me show you all what I've done so far. Let me get the good angle. So that's what I've done so far.
You should have put the two.
No, the two is for the table.
Like that, it can written happy second birthday.
Yeah, but we don't have the ND. Maybe I should put the two right here. You think?
Yes.
Anyway, you guys, so that's what I've done so far. Voila! So it's all done for now.
Mama, can I play with the balloons now?
Which ones?
These.
Huh? And the birthday girl is just here frolicking around. Guys, decorating is fairly finished. Now I'm getting these wings in the oven to roast, and the food will be on its way. Everything else is just to warm up. Hi guys, so you guys, Mama Bear is ready. Let me show you guys my outfit if I can real quick. So there goes my outfit of the day. So there goes my outfit for the princess's birthday. Decoration is done, food is prepped, and I'm just here relaxing before everybody gets here. I have like an hour and a half to just breathe until everybody gets here. But yeah, the day is going so good so far. So the table is prepped. Her cake will go on top of here. Hopefully she'll be able to sit there. If she won't be able to sit, then I'll figure out that situation. I have our number 2 here, and I put some plates and some napkins and cups, and that's the backdrop for the day. So that's how it will be for today. And let me see if I show you guys real quick all the things that I have left to put on the table. So I have pizza, so that's ham and chicken pizza, and here I have Hawaiian pizza, and there goes the wings that I did earlier. So I'm covering up those just to protect them until everybody gets here. We have some more plates and forks and cups, and I have some chips, different assorted ones, and some nuts, and all the juices are in the fridge. So everything is basically ready and waiting for everybody to get here. Sarah is taking her beauty nap, so everything is well on track, just the way I like it to be. So I'm just gonna relax and wait until everybody gets here. So let's enjoy the rest of Sarah's birthday, shall we? And before I even get into the hosting, I just want to tell you guys thank you for all the love that you'll be sending Sarah. And Sarah girl, happy birthday. If you're watching this, mama love you, and you're awesome, you're amazing, you're special, you're my little girl, and I hope you stay a little forever, but we know that won't happen. But hopefully one day you'll watch this and see how we love you and how loved you are, and just enjoy your day and continue to grow to be smart and wise beyond your years and live your best life. And most of all, never be afraid to try and tackle anything within your lifetime. Love you so much, my girl. Mwah. Wow! She said, please, Mama, tiens.
They're all yours, baby. They're
Allez,
all
tout le
yours.
monde, viens.
Sarah, tu fais un bisou à papa?
Sarah,
Bisous.
donne à papa bisou.
Sarah, I know you don't.
Go to papa. Go give papa kiss.
Papa have to go outside to kiss her.
Oh la la. The girl is ready. You ready? Who is that?
Elmo.
That's Elmo. Wow.
Un bisou, papy.
Who is that? Bisou à papi. Give papi kiss. Give papi kiss, Sarah. Oui, 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 oui. You looking at the kid? Who is that? Who is that? Elmo. Come on now, Lena, come outside.
If you're ready for me.
Come,
Madame
over
l'organisateur, qu'est-ce que tu veux faire maintenant?
Nous va chanter la chanson. Ok?
Nous allons
Nous allons
chanter.
chanter. Tyler, come please. En français et en anglais après. Hein? 1, 2, 3. Joyeux anniversaire. Joyeux anniversaire. Joyeux anniversaire, Sarah. Joyeux anniversaire. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sarah. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. How old are you? Say 2. How old are you? 2. Show them 2 fingers. 2. Show 2. 2.
1, 2.
Sarah's gonna clutch her cake.
Ouais, papi, viens. Non, Tyler, wait.
Allez, c'est pas toi.
Viens, viens, viens. Sarah, hold it.
C'est quoi que tu veux?
Put your hand. Tyler, wait. Put your hand on it and we count to 2. Touch. 1, 2. Alright. No, we cannot
C'est quoi?
eat
C'est
and
une glace?
no, gâteau, 3 chocolats.
3 chocolats.
Non, 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 non.
Alors, je vais les assiettes sur le gâteau.
Ok.
Ou non, tu mets là-dedans les
C'est
gâteaux.
froid, papa.
Hein?
Le pizza.
Oui, c'est bon, c'est froid, c'est bon.
C'est
Ah,
sûr?
tu veux les chauffer? Non, comme ça, c'est bon.
Comme ça, c'est bon.
Ok. Comme tu veux.
Tu veux le champagne?
Oui.
Qu'est-ce que tu veux boire?
Pour moi, de l'eau, s'il vous plaît.
Just de l'eau?
Ah.
Pour moi, champomis.
Champomis.
Okay, what would you like to drink?
Le même.
Des champomis?
Oui.
Ok, qu'est-ce que tu veux boire, Tyler?
Shampoo.
Champomis.
Ok.
Qu'est-ce que tu veux, champomis?
Sarah opening her gifts. That's okay, don't matter who is from, just let she open.
Give her the Elmo.
Yes, give her, let she open. Let she open this one.
Okay, let's open this one.
Go. You already have one open,
No,
Mama.
Tyler,
Tell her,
let
let her.
Let her do it.
You help. Sarah, look. Look. Here. She don't care for.
Sarah is interested in the
Sarah. Let me see her reaction now. Sarah, what is that? What's that?
Tyler.
Tyler, give it to her, please. Sarah, who is that?
Elmo.
Elmo. She only want the Elmo. Sarah. Sarah, look. Open, open. Look.
Elmo.
Elmo. Sarah, open with brother. Look. What's that? What's that? Cat. So I agree.
Good job.
Wow.
This one is the one from me.
Yes, you have to take time because it's drawings in there. This one is from Tyler.
Taylor se régale et c'est lui qui ouvre les cadeaux.
Sarah, I already see something that she's interested in.
Yep.
She don't care.
Sarah, what is that down there? What's that? Oh, Elmo. Encore Elmo.
Tu lui as fait tout à l'heure.
Oui. And Papi Pig. Yes.
That one is.
Sarah.
Wow.
Sarah, what's that?
Wow.
Huh? She threw it. Sarah, who is that? Who is that? That's not Minnie. Who is that? Woof woof. No, the other big one. Sarah, Sarah, look there. Tella, wait, stop, Tella, stop. Sarah, look there. Sarah, look at brother, look at Tyler. Who is that? Minnie. Who is that? All our favorites. Hold on, Ty, not that one. Look at this one. Sir, look at this one. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that?
Même que ça.
Hi. She said hi. Hi. Who is that, Sarah? Sarah, who is that? Elmo. Sarah, look. Look there. Bus. Her obsession, not Elmo.
You have a fly that always comes.
Whoa, gunshot in the air. It hit you? That's okay. They're opening up gifts. Tyler is helping Sarah. Tyler, push her with the papers. Toast. Two amazing learning years for Sarah. Would you say that? Two amazing learning years?
For Sarah.
Oui.
For Sarah.
Chin chin.
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 Chin. Chin.
Cheers.
Cheers.
C'est on se dit c'est de l'eau.
Ah, bah, ça porte pas malheur, hein.
Cheers. Cheers.
Juice. Champagne.
Good life, good health,
Yes.
and prosperity
Yes.
for Sarah.
Here, cheers,
Il
cheers.
est pas agacé.
Cheers.
Non, ça va, il est frais.
Sarah, you want chips? Look.
Cheers, baby.
Mais ça,
Sarah.
bon, ce matin.
Sorry, not letting that go. Oui. Sarah, chicken. We're here eating Sarah food. Celebrating birthday was Sarah love up on her Elmo and
Then have to
Stella. She don't wanna let go.
cut the cake. I'm hot.
The cake is here whenever you're ready.
I'm ready.
You ready for cake?
Yeah.
Okay. You want a chair over there? Hold on. Sarah, you have to blow it out. We're gonna count to 2 because you're 2 years old, okay? 1, 2. Blow. Look, look.
It's me.
Bravo.
Good job. Wow. Sarah, tradition. Point. Point.
Is that tradition?
You turn Emma, you have red nose, but Emma not have red nose, Emma have orange nose.
Sarah, high five.
Hey! Oh my god, she's a little character, you see? Are you guys meeting Charmaine for the first time?
Sure.
Charmaine is full-blown Jamaican. And Charmaine also have a YouTube channel called Charms Lifestyle. I'll make sure I put the link in the comment section and in the description box. Sorry, you cannot open all the candies. No more. So my 2 Jamaican girls are here celebrating with us. Sarah, what you want? See Elmo here. Come for Elmo. Take Elmo. Pizza. Ah? No.
Mama, look.
Yeah. Boom. You guys, Sarah's here having a blast outside. Papi chilling. Babe gone inside to do something. And the girls here played game with Kyla.
Multiplied by 60.
You guys, my daughter changed outfit for the day. Show them your party change outfit, my girl. Show them your princess. You're cute, you're beaut. Hi. You want to see yourself?
You already played?
Who is that?
I was waiting for you to
Hi.
play.
And she's playing with one of her gifts. Look at her. You guys know that this is the perfect gift for Sarah. Miss Righty Sha. Miss Righty, take it. That's your phone, babe.
Yeah, but
Babe, play.
You pass.
No,
You're
Charm.
not serious.
I don't like Danny
No,
today.
man.
Danny don't like you today at all.
No, where you play? Play, where you play? You not play yet.
Oh, God. If you count, see my count here.
yeah, you have so much.
What do you mean, me some more?
You have much card. You pass much time.
So where is
I
it?
didn't pass.
Sorry, dropping on the cup.
Who win?
Danny.
Flowers for me.
Sorry.
I need to get up from playing after Daniel and Charmaine because that round this just not set right about now. Me not stop lose, and not stop clapping.
Anyway, you go, you have a lose.
Let me cuss down the thing there. Oh. Boy, the mama bad. We're playing dominoes after Sarah's birthday turn up and just chilling for the rest of the afternoon. It's rotted. Excuse my language, it's after 7 o'clock. I didn't even realize it's that late. But we're having such a good time. It's when you're having good time that you don't realize that the time just fly by. Anyway, let's continue with this domino game. It's the birthday girl there. Still turning up. Hi, husband.
Big car. After we start
Charmaine and Danny.
When your head is heavier, it's too
Then
heavy.
your body.
When your head is too heavy, you can.
Oh my gosh.
Boom.
It's the end of the day.
And it has been a good day.
It has been an amazing day. Princess
I
have
had
the
very good
best
day.
time.
It's starting. We went out this morning. Grandpa was here, so we just
And
wanted
he's still
to
here.
He's still here. We just wanted to do something, so we don't stay home all weekend. So we went outside, and yeah, we had an amazing time. We come back
Just in time for the party.
That was a great moment. I want to say to Sarah, I know you're not gonna watch me, but maybe in the future you will. So I want to tell you happy birthday. You make our day the best. You make our life the best. You give us your sunshine, your everything, and I want to say thank you. So that's why we want to make sure to organize your second party. So yeah, that was great.
She had so much fun. She had so much fun.
When I see her after we sing happy birthday, like enjoying screaming when she opening the gift, she was happy. I mean, she understands. That's how you know that she understands. She might not speak. She also is somebody that want to
do things on her own
time. She don't want her to tell her what to do. So
no, that's Sarah.
Yeah, so that's her. So
can you see the parents are tired?
That was a good birthday. And then we have an amazing time with the guest.
Yes, Charmaine and Daniel.
Yeah, we play for 2 hours and a half. We had a lot of fun. I think that's something in the future that we need to redo. Maybe
at
like
least once
a month, something like to have a games afternoon night, and we all playing and have fun and all these things.
Hopefully this COVID will stay away and go away and don't come back here.
So at the end I have an amazing
we have a good time, like it was also our day. Well, it's really our day too, but you know,
we had fun.
Yeah. Anyway, you guys, I know you guys will be sitting out the
Hope you had fun too.
Watching. And make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and tell them to come and subscribe and continue on this amazing journey called life with us. Through all these amazing milestones of the kids, of ourselves, we'll be sharing them all with you guys. So the next stop from this birthday will be Tyler's birthday. That one you don't want. Sorry, will be Babe's birthday.
Sounds better.
Babe's birthday, I was thinking kid-wise. Babe's birthday, then
better.
Tyler's birthday, then my birthday. So we'll be having birthday every month. Next month will be 2 birthdays in 1 month. Then September comes mine. So y'all, I'm accepting gifts from early, okay?
No, but she only
speak.
speak about kids. Now it's only kids' birthday that matters. So she skip mine, we skip hers.
Anyway, guys, we're gonna end the vlog here. Hopefully you guys enjoy Sarah's birthday. Like I said, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and thanks for all the love that you'll be sending. We love you guys. Thanks for watching and being on this journey with us. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys
tomorrow.